voices adrift, I can't expect it to sing to me, as if I was the only one. I'll follow you, a leaf that's following the sun. When will my weight be too much for you? When will these ideas really be my own? 'Cause this moment keeps on moving, we were never meant to hold on. This was a scene worth waking up for. When I woke up, you planted me in my own path.